Hi, this is Mark Mikelat from Building Aspirations with a quick tip for your social media marketing success. Pinterest. Let's talk about Pinterest. Pinterest is a photo sharing platform or social media channel that drives a lot of traffic. And what's great about Pinterest is that you can post a visual, a picture, an image, a visual that people find interesting, engaging, thought-provoking, whimsical, comical, whatever, and it can drive traffic months, years later because it's still in the public eye. Right? A popular movie, a popular book might not just be popular for a month, it may be popular for a long time. Same thing with your visuals on Pinterest. And if they're popular for a long time, it continues to drive traffic to your website. But how do you do this? And what should the visuals look like? And how do you drive the traffic? And there's a whole bunch more questions. I get it. And I address these questions and more in the Social Media Marketing Success Kit. This is 20 hours of comprehensive social media marketing, best case strategies, what you need to do to be more successful on your social media marketing. For information about this comprehensive kit, just click on the link below this video or at the pop-up in the video to learn how you can invest and take advantage of this course today. This has been Mark Mikelat with a quick little tip for your social media marketing success, specifically on Pinterest. I thank you for listening.